Hello, gamers! I'm just kidding, I'm pretty old. But I'm hip, I'm cool. Let's get all that aside. Today we are talking about the Backbone all-in-one mobile gaming controller. I have been sitting on this little piece of tech for about a week, and it's time we open it, check it out, play with it.
That's what she said. No.
And talk about it. There it is. So this is my first time having my hands on this controller. Let's just go over. Actually, I want to show you the box. It was pretty cool. I didn't know it was going to be that much of an experience opening, but there was definitely a lot of thought and care that went into the presentation. So the first thing we have is the slip cover. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool. The box itself opens up. We have this little card with the logo on it. It says snap in, game on. On the back we have our instructions just saying to align your phone. You can open and close the spring-loaded arches. The mate quality of this is exceptional. Inside the rest of the actual box, we have a safety guide. And that's it. There's no charging cable in this. It charges via
lightning cable.
On the bottom, we have a headphone jack on the opposite side, and then iPhone plug right there. Just like a regular gaming controller, we have a D-pad on the left-hand side, a left thumbstick, we have a right thumbstick, X, Y, A, B, R1, R2 buttons on top. I don't know enough about the feature on the bottom. I'm assuming menu, capture, and home. I have heard you have to download the app first, so I have the app installed. The other thing is on the box, it states that this was only made for iPhone 11 Pro Max down to the iPhone 6s. This is actually a 7 Plus, but I do have an iPhone 12 Pro Max coming very soon within the next week. I'm going to test this again with that, so if you're interested in making sure and finding out it works, which I assume it will, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Do it! They're good, but I'm biased about that. So you have to sign into Backbone. I can continue with Apple, sign in with my thumbprint, and I'm gonna slide it in.
That's what she said. Yeah.
God, I'm such a child. Okay, so as soon as you plug it in, there comes on screen, welcome back to Backbone. It recognizes the controller. Should I record? I'm gonna screen record this for you guys. Okay, there we go. I'll be over here so I can talk you through and you can see it up there. So as you can see, it plays a video as soon as you plug it in, open up the Backbone app, press A to continue. Play next level, and okay, cool, sign in. I can sign in with my fingerprint. Pick a memoji. I mean, I'm partial to a rocket ship, but I'm not so good of a video game player, so let's just pick a shrimp. Oh, cool. My name will be Tom. Cool. I'll allow contacts. Sure, I'll allow photos. Let's allow all access. Okay. Oh, I missed it! I missed it! Can I go back? I wish I read that. Okay, so that's exactly what it is. That square button is recording gameplay. I didn't read. I'm such an idiot. I'm such a video game player. I'm like, yeah, sure, accept. To record gameplay, we hit that little square button. Hold to take a screenshot. Cool. A to continue. Cool, controller supported, so that's what it'll look like in the game store. Okay, got it. I'm good to go. Dope, let's open. So here we go. The one game that I knew I was going to be able to play was Call of Duty Mobile, so here we are. Let's give Call of Duty Mobile a shot. I know how to play video games. Let's see how this plays right off the bat. I will say my first impression holding this is it doesn't feel like I'm playing a mobile game. I instantly feel like I'm playing a console game holding this. It's comfortable. Your thumbs just align. If you've played video games prior to, you know exactly what to expect. It's second nature to pick this up and play with it. And it was quick. The setup took me a minute and a half. I already had the app downloaded. I had Call of Duty. I plugged this in. It recognized me, made a username, picked a shrimp, because shrimp, and I'm ready to start playing. That was good. It's obviously been a while. I'm still downloading the game. It's taking longer to re-download and update this game than it was for me to set up a brand new hardware. Based on what I was seeing on the box prior to even starting this video, This is version 1. They call it BB01, so Backbone 01. I'd hope in further iterations of this mobile controller that they add some sort of battery life indicator, an analog battery life indicator. Something as easy as LED lights on the side would be nice to see where your battery life lives on the actual controller itself. I just wanted to point this out, but when you do hit home, the battery is indicated generally in that app in the top right corner, as well as the time, how many friends you have online.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Oh my gosh, that feels great.
That's what she said.
Jeez. That's cool. Okay, I don't remember how to do any of this. This is all brand new. I really just want to play a game. I'll tell you what, while I get reacquainted with Call of Duty Mobile, get myself in a game, record some gameplay, I'll come back when I figure that out so we're not wasting each other's time. Okay, so a couple things. I had to charge both my phone and the Backbone itself. The Backbone was only about 30% charged out of the box, so after finally navigating the new Call of Duty, I was able to jump in a game. It then dropped to about 20% after one, and the issue I think is that I have an older phone. Based on the box, like I mentioned earlier, it runs from the 11 Pro Max to the iPhone 6s. Now, my 7 Plus is only 4 above the bottom phone that this would be compatible with. And I've even noticed, because it is such an old phone, even menial tasks or running multiple programs, this phone just can't keep up with it. So while it does still function, I have noticed lag from my phone itself or a communication error in playing. So while I was trying to capture gameplay from the Backbone to be able to show you, I was only able to take a couple screenshots. I will say that my first game that I played on Call of Duty Mobile with this game, I went 25-1, and I only died that one time because of the lag of standing perfectly still or the disconnection from my phone that I experienced. I guarantee you I would not have died in this game using the Backbone. I know that's a massive, massive statement, but it's 100% true. It makes playing games, if you're used to playing console games or games with a controller, effortless. I just want to show you this really quick. This is the second game I've ever played. Second game ever. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see it? I'm MVP. I'm the MVP. Oh my god, it's beautiful. 30 kills MVP with the Backbone. It's insane. It's so insane. So cool. So cool. Okay, so I'm about to jump into a game, but if you like this video and you want to know more about the Backbone, be sure to hit subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Watch this one, and I hope to see you guys then. Peace.